hope in government that listens and provides an enabling environment for all children to thrive, and in our community that nurtures every child. Let us walk forward together with a firm belief that from those humble classrooms, great minds will rise, doctors, teachers, engineers, and leaders who will take Bungoma and Kenya to greater heights. As Governor, I pledge to continue championing education, protecting our children, and honoring our duty to build a better future. Before I conclude, this is what I can say. I had a vision which we have shared even with members of the County Assembly, because wameweka pesa hapo to support my budget. Those who are going to implement this program, don't kill my dream. Don't kill my dream. That is my plea to you. Msiwe ndoto ambayo tumeweka kwa kuwapatia hawa watoto wetu uji, kwa sababu we have a reason why we are doing that. And we will be putting money every financial year, and I will be, of course, talking to the County Assembly also to support us so that we work together. Ile maneno mheshimiwa leader of majority amesema ni ukweli. It has been written there, not for sale. Imeandikwa ni porridge ya mtoto. Wewe unajua wewe si mtoto, you are 48 years. Na unaenda kukunywa maziwa ya mtoto. Utalaaniwa, tumbo itakuuma, na usilaumu mtu yeyote. Because that is theft. I saw during Nyayo era, education officers, walimu walikuwa wanachukua maziwa wanapeleka kwao nyumbani. Instead of taking them, and I want all those who will be in charge, our administrators, our village administrators, ward administrators, and everybody, let us be vigilant so that this porridge goes to serve the purpose for which we intended. Nakubaliana pia na leader, no, this is a learning process. Hata mimi umesema kitu hapa nikaona kweli, it makes a lot of sense that badala ya kwenda kununua viti vile tumenunua, zile zinaweza kutengenezwa na viti hizi tutengeneze hapa kwetu. I think I want to, so that money can rotate, can circulate within the county. That's a great observation, and I really want to support it. We have learned. Tumekuwa na mambo ya stagnation. It's been thorny, but money has been put in the budget, which is going to be presented this afternoon. That's why the members of County Assembly are going to petition so that we fast track the promotion of these ECD teachers and also the managers of our VTCs. So I can assure you that nyinyi ni watoto yangu walimu wa ECD. You are my children. I'm the one who employed you, and I'm not going to let you suffer under my hands. Hiyo ninawahakikishia tutafanya. Hata wa VTCs pia tutahakikisha kwamba as I confirmed most of you, I will not abandon you midway. I'll also make sure that we push so that you are comfortable, because if you are demotivated, you will not deliver. Mkenya rafiki yangu alisema pia kitu about legal institutionalizing what we are doing so that it's not left